Still running your freelance business on WhatsApp, Excel, and email? Meet Stackivo, one workspace for everything. Add a client, and the gestin is verified automatically. State, tax type, done. Spin up projects with budgets and rates. Everything connected from day one. Track time as you work. Every billable hour flows straight to your invoice. Create GST perfect invoices in minutes. See GST and SGST split automatically. With a UPI QR code, your clients scan to pay instantly. Contracts get e-signed right inside Stackivo, drafted from your project scope in seconds. And every client gets a branded portal. Invoices, files, updates, no logins, no chaos. Meet your AI business partner. It drafts reminders, chases overdue invoices, and answers anything about your business. Pulse shows you the full picture, collection quality, revenue, who owes what, so you always know where you stand. Stackivo, your freelance business finally organized. Start free at stackivo.me.